watcher and subscribers, this tutorial is in the continuation of the last tutorial. In the last tutorial I told you how you can design your website by using Google site, and for that you don't need to pay anything. So if you didn't see my last tutorial, I just request you go through my last tutorial so that you can understand this tutorial. So in this tutorial I guide you how you can insert sub pages to your website, because website means it is not just a home page, it's a collection of many pages. So now here I will guide you how you can add the other pages to your website. So this is what the home page. Now I will tell you how you can add the other page. Like this is the page that I have already made. So here you see this is the home page that website I already designed it, and here the other pages are there like about me. So today I will teach you how you can design the next page, and I will also tell you along with that how you can add such kind of appearance to your website. So this is the page that we have already made. Now straight away we will see how you can add the other page. So these three options are there. You select page. Okay, this is the insert, this is the theme. So you select the middle option page and just click on this plus icon and write the page name. So I am writing here about me and click on the done. So you see next page is added, but there is nothing in that page. This is your home page and here there is nothing, but that text is added automatically. So whatever you want, and you observe here whatever the appearance is there in that home, okay, in that structure, it is copied automatically. Okay, so it will give professional look to your website. If you want, you can change it manually also. So here about me is there, so that you can keep it as it is. If you want, you can change it. And then here in the insert option I would like to add something. So here collapsible text is there, so you have to just click. So this is the collapsible text and it is divided into two parts. This is the heading part and this is the information detail. So here as I have already added, you see the appearance will be like that. If you click on this arrow, it will show the detail. So I will just copy this and I will just paste it here. So like that you have to paste it, and here the detail that I would like to add. So I will again copy this. That information you can copy from the text file also. So like this you have to paste it. Got it. Now we will like to add one more. So this is the second one, and again it is divided into two parts. So here in the first part, exposure, so I copied it, paste it here, and now here that detail again I copy this. So you see it is looking like that. So these two times we have added this. So whichever the option that you want, you can add it. So that is one of the powerful feature, collapsible text. It will give professional look. Whenever you want the information about yourself, that option is better. So for your home page, for your sub pages, you can add it as many times. Suppose here in my previous website I have added 4 to 5 times. You can observe here 1 2 3 4 5 times, so you can go for that. So I here taught you how you can add these options so that your page will look proper. So now you understood here how to add the sub page, and in the next tutorial I will also tell you how you can add again one more page and how you can join your Google form with your web page. So that thing we will see in the next tutorial. So here in this tutorial you understood how you can add sub pages to the home page. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.